phone.
Yeah, why? Really? For taking your SIM card? Are you crazy?
And the SIM card came from behind. If you rewind, they didn't pull it out of the phone.
Exactly.
It was cinema magic.
Just to grab our attention.
Just to make me react that way.
Okay.
All right.
So, is it a way how to get a gold?
It look maybe they're mining for some gold using
Yeah.
old SIM cards. Okay.
It's actually possible. I know that in a micro computers,
Yeah. They have little bits of gold.
microchips, right?
Yeah.
There is some gold. Yeah.
All right. You'd probably have to break down a lot of them to get
For sure.
a worthwhile amount of gold. Well, what are we
Yes,
doing
for
here? What is
sure.
this mold?
What is this mold for?
A mold of gold.
We'll see now in a moment.
Are they making? Is that jewelry?
Is it the ugly thing?
It's an ugly thing.
Yeah.
It looks like an alien jewelry.
Yeah. So, what a waste of gold.
Not to hurt your creativity or anything, 500 Crafts,
yeah.
but what's going on here?
It's
I actually have no idea, guys. If you know right now, let us know.
A ring, right?
It looks like a honeycomb a little bit.
Yep.
Maybe a honeycomb.
Honeycombs. So, would it be necklace or what? Any guesses?
Perhaps a bee necklace?
Bee necklace.
Bee necklace.
Be yourself.
Don't pee yourself. Be yourself. That's
Yeah.
that's an Archie 5 quote of the day.
Yep.
Okay.
Some.
What? All right. Gold plating, but not real gold. Just paint gold.
Oh, okay.
And beeswax.
Beeswax.
Beeswax. Mind your own beeswax, buddy. Where?
I'm just.
What's the point of
confused.
doing
I
that,
don't
though?
know. So many word action.
To get the
okay.
bee. All right.
Oh, it's some of them's toy, mystery box or something.
It's a phone case.
Oh,
It's a phone case.
it's actually nice. They start from the phone and finish the.
It's structural unity. It's beautiful. It's
Wow.
it's recycling beauty.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of cool if you really like bees
Yeah.
or
why
honey.
not? Yeah. And the bee.
Oh, and now we got some cinema shots. We're gonna milk it. We're gonna milk this bee
Yeah.
for all the honey it has.
You'll see any detail of this.
Every single detail, yeah, for every angle. Okay, cool. Looks good. But I don't know. I don't like. I love bees. I love that they produce honey. I am a little bit frightened when they,
Yeah.
come up to me and stuff. I don't know if I love them enough to wear something that's bee themed.
Yep.
Guys,
Yeah. What about you?
are you afraid of bees?
I think everybody.
Everybody's a little afraid of bees.
Yeah,
Like
so-
if they're in your face, a little bit.
And we should be afraid.
Yeah. Even beekeepers wear things to keep the bees away from them. Think about it.
Yeah. And
If they really liked bees, they would just let the bees all over them. Like those guys who put beards of bees and stuff. Those
actually,
are
I saw some
the true bee lovers.
some such pictures.
Yeah?
Yeah. One of the person full of
Exactly,
bees,
yeah. In the Guinness Book of World Records, they have like people who like cover their whole bodies in bees, basically.
Mhm.
As long as you don't like move too fast or anything and annoy them, you'll probably survive, maybe.
Actually, yeah. Actually, they wouldn't bite you if you wouldn't,
Yeah, if you're not moving or anything,
Yes.
yeah, and they feel comfortable. Sometimes they do just randomly, but what can you do?
It's yeah.
All right.
Okay, carbon.
Carbon, yeah, that's cool. It looks like fish scales a little bit right now when it's wet.
Yeah, but actually,
Tilapia. Okay.
tilapia.
Tilapia, yeah, that's the fish scale that they use when you have burns. They put it on your skin and it heals the burns faster.
I heard about it,
Yeah.
but I didn't know how it goes.
So if you're ever burned, we'll get you. I'll go fishing for you.
Okay.
Okay.
How long should I wait?
I don't know. All I can do is fish.
Okay. I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll die, but I'll
No,
wait.
don't die. All right. So we have this nice carbon-looking phone case.
Okay, I think it's very strong one.
It looks pretty strong. You have to go through with a Dremel.
For
Not
your
the
camera.
cleanest. Ah.
Oh, now it's
W.
They made the magic out of rain. Well,
Yeah.
W.
For win. Winning.
Winner.
Winner. Wiener.
Oh. Let's such a nice cut.
Looks pretty good.
Okay, and
all right, and then you just glue it on. I thought that was on the phone. Okay, good thing.
Yeah. This is just a metal plate, right? Okay, Luke.
Hello, this is Wu. This is Mr. Wu.
What?
What do you mean I'm being audited? Oh no.
No.
No. Whoa. Hey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, show us the screen.
Yeah, come on. That was some BS. All right, water in gypsum.
Word?
Yeah, they made an ice mold.
Wow, that's a weird decision to be honest.
It's not the most practical one, but it makes for interesting content.
Yeah, but it's good work, right?
Yes.
So if you don't have any number,
Glue stick, heat it up. We're making a cast now.
wow, so many steps.
There's way too many steps. See, I would have 1 million, phone cases by now. It's just the effort. It's just the effort. Guys, if you've ever made a phone case, let us know. What was it? What did it look like?
Did you enjoy it?
Did you enjoy it? Or do you do what we do and we just watch it be made? We don't actually do it. And that's completely fine. Because
sometimes you just can watch it, just watch it.
Just watching it. That's why we like to watch internet content. It's because we feel like we're living through it ourselves. We're doing something when we're really just sitting on the couch, eating a bag of Doritos, crying about our ex.
I would actually... Can you imagine the person... Sorry.
Yeah?
Can you imagine the person who would repeat every crafts which 5 main crafts did?
Oh, yeah.
Just the person who... Oh!
Such
okay,
a turbo fan that
Yeah.
they're like, yeah, I need to do everything. That would cost a fortune.
Yeah.
You would... No way.
No way.
No way.
No way.
Everybody knows that 5 Minute Crafts owns all of the everything everywhere. That's why they have the money to do this.
I guess so.
Yeah. Have you ever seen 5 Minute Crafts and the most wealthy people in the room together? Exactly. Have you ever seen 5 Minute Crafts and Bill Gates in the room together? Exactly. It's because they're the same thing. That's my conspiracy.
They around us.
They're all around it. 5 Minute Crafts is in all of us.
At least, yeah. Around you for sure.
It's in our minds.
Uh-huh. Okay, nice little...
Okay. It's cute for a kid. I think
Yeah.
for like a little kid making their own thing, it's cute.
Yeah. And you can change any...
Yeah, you can change the stitching and stuff, the details. That'd be a fun arts and crafts project for your middle school class.
Yep. So, save it.
Save it.
In our
Teachers, save it.
Yeah. Okay.
He seems to like it.
You like it?
All right. Yes, I'm calling to check up on that heart surgery. Okay. It's funny because it's like he made himself a Valentine's Day gift. But I'm sure he has a Valentine's Day. He made it for her. Or him.
For him.
For everybody.
For them.
He made it for everybody.
Yes.
Just to be safe. All right.
Okay.
Another phone. Another day, another phone. Epoxy resin. What are we doing here?
Epoxy should be something nice. Oh, it's the same technique as with the carbon.
Whoa.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like that. I kind of like it. I kind of wonder what it would be like to put it in your mouth. Do you think it would taste good?
You need to try it, I guess. No.
Don't tell that to me. I will.
you will.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous to do that. Okay, so we have. It looks like it might taste like if you.
What?
So if you know fruit roll-ups,
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of like a fruit roll-up texture to me.
Oh.
Like that's what I'm gonna bite into it. It's gonna be like raspberry, blueberry together.
Mm-hmm. I feel.
Chef kiss.
I feel.
Yeah.
The blueberry, right?
The blueberry right now, yeah,
The
yeah.
color and everything.
Yeah, you just blueberry, but it won't, obviously. But I can dream.
Maybe. Yeah. You always can.
Just let me dream.
Yeah. Of course. Okay. Enough
right.
with the dreaming. Let's come to the video.
All right, so we have a blue phone case so far.
Which is tasty.
Might taste like blueberries. We don't know. That's just
Yeah.
speculation at this point.
Maybe. And what a complicated process of this whole grating. Uh-huh.
All right, they're just whittling through to the speaker parts, I guess, and ruining a credit card potentially, or it's okay.
No, I think
No,
that's
it's
for
okay.
lining. Yeah,
Just
yeah.
for lining. Okay.
And what's in this? For?
Ah,
Oh,
it's a
will
pocket.
pocket
It's
on
a
your phone.
pocket for your phone.
What can you put there?
You can nothing.
Oh, for your card.
Maybe your credit card, yeah.
This
That's
actually-
why. We're so
Yeah.
wow. 5 billion IQ people here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, yeah.
It's actually, yeah.
That looks good.
Okay.
I don't know if I like jeans enough to do that, but yeah, I like it.
Woom.
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 Woom. We've
What does
upgraded
it-
from wood to woom. All right.
Okay.
I don't like how the blue is a different color than the other blue. You know, it's like two different.
Mm-hmm.
We could work on that.
Yeah, it could be much better. Okay.
Yeah, it's an ugly phone case.
What do you think? Do you like it?
No. If I saw a person in all denim
How would you
pull
like
out their
it?
phone and
Yeah.
it's denim, I would run away very fast. I feel like that's dangerous.
Oh.
Oh, did you get it? She's putting it in her back pocket, and it has a pocket, double pocket. Pocket.
Okay.
All right, give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Please.
Please.